Indian state Manipur burns, but the Indian media only cares about selling the propaganda. Massacres, burning villages, the women screaming for help, because for the Indian media, TRP matters more than the dead bodies. From the Manipur's tribal women being stripped and paraded to the Dalit girls burned in the dead of the night, justice in India comes with the caste and the political tags. 50,000 plus displaced, homes tortured, women brutalized. Is this the new India or just another banana republic in the saffron disguise? If the rapist belongs to the right-wing brigade, he is a Deshbhakt. If the victim belongs to a minority, she is a Deshdrohi. 4,000 plus looted government rifles now in the hands of the armed extremist. Manipur's internet was shut down for 6 months because in the Modi's India, truth is the biggest national security threat. Where is Manipur's Chief Minister Biren Singh? Where is the army? Why did the police surrender? Manipuris are burning the military vehicles, but the Indian media is busy manufacturing the fake narratives, because if the truth gets out, the illusion of the Akhand Bharat collapses. Manipur is drowning in blood, but the breaking news, a cow sat on the road in the Bangalore, because in the Modi's India, cow lives matter more than the human lives.